Dear students, in this video, let us solve MCQ of Model Paper 2. First question from biology part. The main function of abscisic acid in plants is to. Correct answer for this question is option B, inhibits the growth of plants. Next question. A common part among the following that is found in reproductive system of both in flowering plants and human is. Before answering this question, let us observe the parts of both female reproductive system and flower. Part common in both is ovary. So, correct answer for this question is option C, ovary. Next question is, which of the following is an inherited trait? In the given options, first three options are acquired traits, but last option, type of earlobe, is inherited trait. So, correct answer for this question is option D, type of earlobe. Next question. The blood vessels that carry blood from all parts of the human body to the heart are. The blood vessels which bring blood to the heart are called veins. Blood vessels which carry blood away from heart to different parts of the body are called arteries. So, correct answer for this question is option C, veins. Next question. The plants can get rid of excess of water by this process. Loss of water from plant body in the form of water vapors is called transpiration. So, correct answer for this question is option B, transpiration. Next question. The correct path of urine flow in the human excretory system. Before answering this question, let us observe the parts of human excretory system. Here, first part is kidney, next is ureter, next urinary bladder, and finally urethra. So, correct path of urine flow is this itself. So, correct answer for this question is option C, kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra. Next question is, which of the following is the biodiversity hotspots? Correct answer for this question is option D, forests. In forests, different species of plants, animals and microorganisms are found. So, forests are called hotspots of biodiversity. Next question. The growth of pollen tubes towards ovules in the flower of plants. In flower, pollen tube grows towards ovules by the attraction of chemicals. So it is called chemotropism. Here, correct answer for this question is option A, chemotropism. Now, let us see what is phototropism. Growing of plants towards light is called phototropism. Geotropism, downward growth of roots is called geotropism. Hydrotropism, growth of roots towards water is called hydrotropism. Next question. A group that contains only biodegradable substances among the following is. Let us examine all the options one by one. Option A, polythene, wood, leather. Here, polythene is non-biodegradable substance. Option B, leather, detergent, plastic. Here, plastic and detergent are non-biodegradable substances. Option D, paper, bakelite, grass. Here, bakelite is non-biodegradable substance. Bakelite is one type of plastic. Option C, wood, grass, leather. Here, all are biodegradable substances. So, correct answer is option C. Next question is, the part of human brain that controls the involuntary actions like salivation and blood pressure is. Before answering this question, let us know the parts of brain and its functions. Cerebrum. It is concerned with thinking, memory, and controls voluntary actions. Cerebellum. It controls walking in a straight line, riding a bicycle, picking up a pencil, means it controls posture and body balance. Medulla controls involuntary actions like salivation and blood pressure. Now let us come to this question. Part of brain that controls salivation and blood pressure. Correct answer for this question is option B, medulla. Next question is, which of the following is not a part of human female reproductive system? In female reproductive system, ovary, uterus and fallopian tube are present. Vas deferens is present in male reproductive system. So, correct answer for this question is option C, vas deferens. Next question, the main purpose of constructing water harvesting structures is to. Correct answer for this question is option D, recharge of the groundwater. Next question is, a pure tall pea plant is crossed with a short pea plant. The ratio of pure tall pea plant to the short pea plants produced in F2 generation is. For this type of questions, we have to work out little bit. Parent plants and their gametes given here are. All plants of F1 generation are tall plants and their gametes are, one is capital T and another one is small letter t. Let us find out F2 generation plants by using checkerboard. In F2 generation, 3 plants are tall and one is short plant. But pure tall plant is only one, that is plant with 2 capital T's. Likewise, pure short plant is also one, that is plant with 2 small letter T's. So, ratio of pure tall and pure short plants is 1:1. So, correct answer for this question is option B, 1:1. Next question is, the wings of bat and pigeon are the examples of. When we observe the wings of bat and pigeon, structure of wings is different, but function is same. So these are examples for analogous organs. So correct answer for this question is option A, analogous organs. Dear students, links of all SSLC MCQ based Question paper solved videos are given in description box. Watch them and prepare well for the exam. Success is yours.